Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a countdown website using Chatgpt. So at first, just go to the Chatgpt website. Make sure you have an account in Chatgpt. Now in the bottom search bar, search for make a countdown for about 3 hours. You can also change the time using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Just hold on guys. You can just simply copy the HTML code just clicking the copy code option here, also the CSS code and the JavaScript code. You can also make this countdown using HTML, CSS, JavaScript all in one file. Like this. Here you can see it is completed. Now you can just simply copy the code like clicking here, and you can use it to make a website for countdown about 3 hours. So guys, that's how you can build a website or build a code using countdown. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.